Scott Bode here with Steeda Autosports to talk to you about our Ford Bronco 1-inch leveling kit. Now what that's going to do, it's going to get rid of that factory rake that they come with. As you know, the front's usually a little bit lower than the rear of the new Ford Bronco. Well, this kit from Steeda, 100% made in the USA, right here in Valdosta, Georgia, is going to help raise the front of your Bronco 1 inch. Now, Steeda, we do it a little differently. These things have a lifetime warranty. They're made out of billet 6061 aircraft grade aluminum. A lot of the competition kits out there are going to use stamped laser cut steel, powder coated. As you know, with the Bronco, you like to go off-roading, go four-wheeling and stuff like that. They can break down, they can rust, and they can deteriorate over time. That's not going to happen with these pieces. Billet 6061 aluminum. For the shocks, we use nothing but billet stainless steel. Once again, nothing that can rust, nothing that can fail. We also use premium grade 12.9 hardware. A lot of the other kits that we were looking at, they only use grade 10.9. We got locking nuts as well as nylock jam nuts for the top of the strut assembly that actually has enough grip that it can work in conjunction with our Ford Bronco strut tower brace. This Bronco leveling kit also allows you to run bigger wheels and tires. In fact, you can throw a 35 by 12.5 on a 9-inch wide wheel with an 18 offset with a little bit of trimming up front. It doesn't introduce any bind, there's no drivability issues. Basically, you just bolt this kit on and go. Really improves the overall look of your Ford Bronco. So like I said, pick up one of these kits from Steeda, simple install, takes just over an hour. You can do it yourself. There's no compressing of the spring or anything like that required, but all made in the USA right here in Valdosta, Georgia. Billet aluminum, stainless steel construction. You simply can't get a higher quality kit than this one from Steeda. If you have any questions about the kit and want to see more Bronco parts, drop us a note below, reach out to us, and remember, like, subscribe, follow us on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, and at the end of the day, remember, Steeda, where speed matters.